Hello everyone. Good evening, all of you. My name is Kamlesh Rajendra Dursankar, and today's date is 14th of February 2024. And my today's video topic is a technical topic. That is, the name of the topic is the control statements in Java. So, first of all, in this video, let me tell you in detail about the control statements in Java. So first of all, what is control statements? So control statements are the statements that are used to control the flow of Java program. So this is called as control statements in Java. So there are two types of control statements in Java. So first of all is a conditional statement, and the second one is iterative statement, and we can say it as also looping statements, iterative statements or looping statements. So let me tell you in detail about the types of control statement, that is conditional statement and iterative statement. So first of all, conditional statement. So conditional statements, we when we want to check the conditions, either that condition is true or false, that time we use conditional statement. So there are basically three types of conditional statements in Java. First is if statement, second is if else statement, and third is nested if statement or switch statement. So first of all, what is if statement? So if statement, so when we have one single condition to check, that time we use if statement. Either that condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then the block of if code is executed. Then the next is the if else statement. So when we have two conditions to check, either that conditions are true or false condition, that time we use if else statement. So in this, if the condition is true, then the if block of code is executed, and if the condition is false, then the else block of code is executed. Then the third is nested if statement or switch statement. So when we have more than two conditions to check, that time we use switch statements. So in this, if the condition is true, then the block of code is executed, and if the condition is false, then the block of code is skipped. Then the next is looping statement or iterative statement. So looping statement is called as when we want to execute one single code in multiple times, that time we use looping statement. So there are three types of looping statement. First is for loop. So when we know how many times the program will be executed, that time we use for loop. And the syntax of for loop is first there is initialization, after that the condition, and after that increment or decrement. Then the next second statement, iterative statement, is a while loop. So when we don't know how many times the program will be executed, that time we use while loop. So the syntax of while loop is that first of all initialization, then while loop. In while loop there is a condition to check, and then after that in curly braces the code, and after completing the curly braces there is a condition to check or increment or decrement. Then the third is do while loop. So do while loop is a pre-test loop. So in this, when we want to execute the code at least single time, that time If the condition is true or false, that time we use do while. So these are all the control statements in Java. So thank you so much for watching my video.